Today our word is commissions. What are they? Who pays them? How much does it cost? In British Columbia, typically realtors charge the seller the commission costs for both the buyer and seller side, meaning there's a realtor for buyers and there's a realtor that's associated with the selling side. Both need to be paid. They're paid a commission based on the sale price. That commission is most often paid by the seller. Commissions aren't standardized in British Columbia. They are often up to negotiation. However, most realtors have a set commission that they like to work with. It's good to ask your realtor what their commission fees are and maybe shop around and compare a little bit and see what you're getting for that commission. Of course, if you're paying a higher commission, you should be expecting a higher level of service, including marketing and other associated costs in the sale of your home. If you found this helpful or you know this may be helpful for somebody, please forward on and watch the other terms I'll be posting in the coming days. For more bite-sized content, follow and watch my other videos.